This tutorial will show you how to bookmark a website with Safari for iPhone, iOS, Apple device completely for free. If you like what you see, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe to the channel with all notifications. If you want to learn how I create content online and save hundreds of hours per year, click the link down below, scan the QR code, and enjoy the tutorial. Alright, hey everyone, so bookmark a website for Safari, iPhone completely for free? I got you. So we're on Google right now. You want to click on the website that you want to bookmark for Safari. In this case, YouTube trending. Once the website has been opened up and you want to bookmark this, click on the middle hand screen or this book share icon and then scroll down and click the third option, add bookmark. And then you can customize this and save on the top right hand screen. Now when you go to the fourth icon or option underneath the website or URL, you want to be located on the first option next to this glasses icon. As you can scroll down, now I have successfully bookmarked to this page on Safari completely for free for iPhone. Again, if you want to learn how you can save hundreds of hours and money online per year creating content, click the link down below, scan the QR code, and thanks for watching this tutorial.